Online learning platforms for ECBA exam preparation. A review: the ECBA is a key credential for those starting a career in business analysis. The International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, administers this certification. It validates a basic knowledge of business analysis principles, practices, and techniques. As the demand for certified business analysts grows, so does the need for study resources. Udemy. Diverse course offerings. Udemy is a popular online learning platform. It offers many courses on various subjects, including business analysis. The platform has many courses for ECBA exam prep. Users can choose based on their learning styles and budgets. LinkedIn Learning. Professional development focus. LinkedIn Learning provides a more professional development-oriented approach to learning. A subscription gives users access to thousands of courses. This includes ones for the ECBA exam. iCertGlobal. Specialized certification training. iCertGlobal specializes in professional certification training, including ECBA. The platform mixes theory with practical use. It's ideal for exam prep. Pluralsight. Technology-focused learning. Pluralsight is known for its tech and software courses. It also has valuable business analysis content. This platform is for those who want to merge technical skills with business analysis. Conclusion: preparing for the ECBA exam requires dedication and access to quality learning resources. Online learning platforms offer diverse options for different learning styles. They help candidates prepare for an important certification. Each platform can aid your exam prep. Udemy has a variety. LinkedIn Learning focuses on professional development. iCertGlobal offers specialized training. Pluralsight is tech-centric. The IIBA's resources are authoritative. Each has unique strengths. Ultimately, the right platform depends on your learning style, budget, and needs.